Morning. So today is Friday. So I lose track of the days while you're on holiday because every day is a weekend. So yeah, Friday, and we're leaving Bettyhill where we stayed last night, and we're heading towards Scourie, which is on the west coast. So we're just finishing off the bit along the top. It's a little bit gusty this morning, so hopefully you can hear me. And the mic isn't picking up too much of the wind. In fact, if I toddle round the front, it'd be a bit more in shelter. So yes, it's about 60 miles, so not too far. I'm just going to watch me step here. Probably made no difference whatsoever. Oh yes, it is. So it's about 60 miles, about 2 hours according to the map. And this morning on the road in front of us, we've had a lady walking her dog. That's the only traffic we've had. It's really quiet here. Going down the bank a bit more. So I'll give you a quick spin round before we go, and you can have a quick look. Right, we're over there. And that's your panorama of our view. So as I said yesterday, middle of nowhere, really nice, really quiet, obviously, can't hear a thing. And weather today still looks a bit of rain, just looking at the distance there, but there's also brighter spells as well. Had a bit of sun, I can actually see some blue sky, so the weather might be improving back to where we were lucky with the weather earlier on in the week. Heading off to go and see Smoo Cave, which is recommended, so we'll go and see that, do some footage on that, and catch up with you later even. Alright, take care, bye. Very popular with motorbikes, this route. Where
are we? We are...
We're near Smoo Cave, we know
Near
that much.
Smoo Cave,
Near
yeah.
Smoo Cave.
And looking at the North Atlantic Ocean, which is beautiful.
It's behind us. And we've just come round the corner to find a location that's got a zip wire running across the bay, which we'd been told about at a cafe in St John o' Groats, wasn't it? The cafe owner there was telling us about it.
We were at Ceannabeinne.
There you go.
Ceannabeinne.
Well done, Jilly, thank you. And it looks like someone's going to go over the zip wire in a bit. Looks like they're getting kitted up. So we'll hang about till they do that, I think, perhaps. May not, don't know, we'll see.
Yeah, he's about to go.
Oh, he's about to go, so yeah, perhaps we will. Just heading down the last steps to Smoo Cave. She's looking at me strange, wondering what I'm doing. I'm talking to you, aren't I? So yes, this will give us our day's worth of fitness. Just been in Smoo Cave, which was awesome, really good. And now we're just walking up the side, up these very steep steps, lots of them, hopefully to a good viewpoint at the top here. Looks promising. Watch where I'm going foot-wise here. But, this is awesome, absolutely awesome. I can't look at the camera too much as I'll fall flat on my face. But, there's probably a bit of breeze which the microphone's picking up. But considering where we are, it's actually not very breezy at all. It's very mild. Weak hazy sun. And an awesome view. You probably don't want to look at me, so I should turn you around and you can have a look at the spectacular. Us at just past Smoo Cave, at the headland, looking out to sea. jetty. Well, I was going to say this evening, but it sounds like we're staying here on the jetty. But that's not quite true. We're actually staying just off the jetty. Just hang on. I'll show you. You can just see the edge of the house. And so that's where we're staying at Scourie Lodge. It's a beautiful evening here, absolutely stunning.